again, and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and come.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Hunter, Wandering Wet Plates, and I live in this school bus here. Where bus meets world, and this is our bus Topanga. We're shooting some tin types today, but why don't you come check out the bus?
Well, I just got to stop here for a second. And that's how you find them. And there's a good-looking guy right there.
Look at that guy. Yeah, we process everything in here. And this is where we live. So come on in. It's a 2007 International school bus. I'll lock that door open so it'll stay open. So let's see, we got kind of a little crowded. Oh, here, I gotta do that now. So a little crowded. We're obviously living in here, so mind the mess. We've got a baby.
Yep.
But when you come in, we've got this is our sort of bedroom area. This bed trundles all the way to the wall, and we fold it up for the daytime. This is my son, Callum. There you go, buddy. So definitely keep your eye out for baby toys on the ground, little Legos and such. But this is the kitchen area, making all our meals and things like that. I've got propane tank. I've got a dishwasher, believe it or not, and a hot water heater under there. And then all the food and utensils and all of that stuff fit under this side here. All the pantry.
Well, I like the stainless.
Yeah, thanks. It was just a prep table, kitchen prep table, and I cut a hole in it and dropped this little 3-burner propane into there. And it's working pretty good for us. And all the spices and such sort of exposed. Got our wood burning stove here. Little full-size logs.
Sure it's big enough?
Right, it's pretty big. We're from Colorado, so
oh yeah,
we've
you
dealt
need
with
it.
some, like, as low as 15 below is what we've lived in, so
no thanks.
brutal. We don't like that so much. We got a laundry room here. I just installed this laundry machine. I haven't even used it yet. I literally just put this in like last week because of the baby. Lots of onesies and little laundry. It's not going to be for everything, but
it's amazing how such a little thing can triple your laundry load.
Oh yeah, absolutely, man. And back here we've got sort of the bathroom. Let's walk through. Our shower turns into a catch-all, generally, especially at events like this. So
like
mind the mess, of course.
Yeah, like every schoolie.
Every schoolie, it's the big space. And then we got a nice little RV toilet right there. And then in the back here, this is the dark room. Ming, can you flip the dome lights on? I don't know if she can hear me. But yeah, so this, when I don't have space for that tent, I don't have space for the tent, I can clear all this off and do my processing right here. It's just sort of a total crazy, we're at a festival, guys, so I've got some paraphernalia and tequila and things. Some of these are actually for the wet plate process, so I'm not that big of an alcoholic, but these are actually all part of that chemistry. But then I have a film scanner here and a computer there. All my camera gear fits under here and chemistry, and then I have batteries across the bottom there, and they go all the way across to this side, and that's what the solar on top. We've got 16 100-watt solar panels. They're coming into, this is an 800 amp hour 48-volt battery array. It's all gel, so it's kind of an in-between. They're pretty big and heavy, but they're sealed gel.
Right.
Behind me here, I've got this turned into a closet. The closet used to be where the toilet is, and before that it was where the laundry room is. So now it's moved back here, and so it's maximizing every little bit of volume. Inverters kind of behind all the clothes, can't really see it very well, and then the normal household 100 amp panel, so it just runs like a normal house.
Sure.
And then again, this is all just the tools of the craft. I've got some other tin types up here, some of the packaging materials, things I do to sell prints, all of that. And yeah, beyond that, I guess most of our time is spent up front there, just watching movies and existing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, what else? I'm trying to think. What's another?
And I already got your contact information in case somebody wants to find you. And
yeah, if you want to find us, our photography page, Wandering Wet Plates. If you want to learn or see more about our bus travels, Bus Meets World. that's more curated, fun, colorful photos. And then the wet plates is all our black and white work. Cool. Behind you here too, I have a big full-size fridge. That's always notable, you know, or relatively a household fridge and freezer.
I've been seeing more and more of this model of fridge.
Yeah, it's not bad, you know. It's a 1.2 amp fridge, so it's relatively nice. The only downside is if you're in 80 and 90 degrees hotter, it has to pull a little more energy to stay cool, as is normal. So it's not the advertised amperage there. So we find if you keep in the right environment, it doesn't use too much power. But if we're like in the summer, hot, it pulls a lot more power than typically preferred, I would say. But it works. We've got enough power for it. So it's pretty much our only dedicated 24-hour pull of power. So not bad. And then the back door still works. So when I do tin types on the spot, I can close, you know, this door and the door behind you there and create this as a dark room that I can go in and out of. Kind of functional to keep the family living space separate.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. And I liked, who didn't ever want to pull open a bus door, right, as a kid?
Yeah.
So when we built the bus, I knew I wanted that door accessible. Sacrificed what would be a bedroom back here to have a working space because you got to pay the bills, right?
Exactly.
So that's what we do. I wish it was a little more clean for you, but you know, this is the real how it is. So I appreciate.
We live in them. So.
That's right, man. That's right. It's sometimes they're picture perfect, but really this is pretty much how it is.
Yeah. Well, thank you for the tour.
Yeah, thanks for coming in the bus. Thanks for your interest. It was great shooting you today.
Oh yeah.
It was a wonderful tin type.
And I'll probably the image will be right after this. I'll put that at the end.
Kind of throw it on there, and we got some behind the scenes. Some friends helped us. Skoolie Paloozas has lots of nice, collaborative, friendly people, so we got to enlist some strangers.
And nobody bats their eye at me walking around like this.
Yeah, right.
I'm not the strangest person here.
Nope. Fit right in, right?